Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Take two. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to add custom songs to your Spotify. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First, open the Spotify app on your phone. Now, on your screen, you can see options like home, search, your library, all music and podcast. You have to go to top left corner and tap on your profile. Now, under your profile, select settings and privacy, then scroll down. There you can see there is an option called local files. Select it and turn it on. Once you do that, go to your file and select the custom song you made on GarageBand or other apps. Long press that song, then tap on move. Then you have to search Spotify there. Now select Spotify and copy the song. All you have to do is go back and go to your library. Then you can see there is local files there. And guys, that's it. That's how you get custom songs on your Spotify. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.